Alright guys, we are testing the Temu action cam, see how the quality works on this camera. Alright, I don't expect it to be very good. Alright. I don't think it has any image stabilizers, so So as you guys can see, the quality is not very impressive. It's an action cam, but it has no image stabilizer, so up to no good. This is like a camera from the 90s, definitely not up to the quality of GoPro. So if you want to use it stationary, it's okay, but if you want to do it for action, it's useless. So this is walking at a normal pace, so you can see the image is a bit shaky. We're going through a nice forest path, but the camera, well, again, this should not be called an action cam but a toy cam. Alright guys, you can see the image is not very panoramic either when I'm using this cam, so it's kind of magnified and you can't do anything about it. So, well, again, this is like rather a toy than an action cam. Alright, now we are in the forest. Let me compare this to a nice recording from the cell phone. This is the cam, the action cam from Temu, and here I'm filming using Samsung Galaxy Ultra. It's nice and green, it's not shaky.